Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to uninstall apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and go to the app menu, locate the application you want to uninstall, then press and hold it, locate and click on remove app. Then it should say remove the name of the application you want to delete or remove from your iPhone 12. Then go ahead and click on delete. Once you click on delete, it should say delete. Application is also going to delete the app data. Then go ahead and click on delete. Once you hit delete, this is going to delete the application from your iPhone. Then you see the application removed, it's going to delete the app data and the document. Alternatively, you can just go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down the general page, click on iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, just scroll down to the application you want to uninstall. So search through. If you couldn't find it, just go ahead and click on show all. Then scroll down and then click on the application you want to remove. Once you click on it, locate and click on delete app. Now click on delete from the pop, and that is it. So that is exactly how to uninstall or delete apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.